Hi everyone! So, it's currently Monday, June 29, 6:05, and I'm exporting this vlog for this intro. So, for this uh, video, uh, it contains a clips from April 2025, including my pinning. So, watch out for that. So, bye!
Winnie po, sumobra talaga. Masama ako sa iyo ba? Pag sa pasok. Ganun din ako eh. Gaman. Baka pera ko, dagdagan ng 50. Pero kasi hindi naman din parang pero pwede din ba? Oh my God. Hindi pa kasi mga process eh. Pero gusto ko sa kinidikal ko.
Facilitated by the company through shadowing, mentorship, training delivery methods, EJ.
Good for self-therapy learning. Easy to update with new company policies or sorry, back to you now.
Blended learning. With blended learning, organizations can leverage a combination of approaches, ensuring that every learner for organizations with diverse training requirements and complex learning objectives.
today. Hindi papasok si Chat. Ano, hindi papasok? Hindi siya papasok sa work. Kasama namin siya. Bakit ganito yung camera mo? Oh, ganito pala siya. Very nice. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Guys, mag-hi sa vlog. May vlog sa likod. Hi, guys. Hi, vlog. Like, ako. Nood tayo! Lunes! Ano? Yan ano yung classic movie na...
Actually, it's just an inspiration. But pwede ko siya papansin. Yung ba?
Oh, mag-hi dito! Mag-hi dito! May bago na naman akong i-edit. Pero okay lang. At least madaming upload. Yeah. Abangan namin. Abangan nyo guys. Abangan nyo. May ano ba? May luha-luha. Wait lang kasi pababa. Hi guys! Welcome to Nico's Vlog! So, kakagaling lang po kami ng school. I mean, kakagaling lang namin ng school para mag-pass ng paper, magpa-check, etc. And then right now, we're about to go to Primero. Yes, one of our go-to cafe. Kasi actually very nice naman though. Though medyo pricey. Di ba? Medyo pricey. Medyo, pero sulit na. Yeah, but it's okay naman. At saka, kind of looks good naman there. So, yeah. So, later on, we're going to show, or at least Nicole's going to show you what it looks like inside. Well, I know for sure naman na nakita niyo na sa vlogs ni Nicole kasi dun sila nag-date ni kanyang BFF. Yes! Shout out sa iyong BFF! Shout out, Mickey. I hope to meet you soon. Love that. Yes, love that. I hope we can meet soon. Sana mapakilala kami ni Nick. Yes. So, yeah. Wait, tatawid muna kami. So, Nagkopyahan kami ni Nicole. Sorry, 45 plus 5, 350. Pang ilan tong exam? Pangatlo. Oo. Okay. 3 out of 5 na, guys.
8, 10, 10, 8, 9 po. Exam po, 50. Yes po.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling limit at kaniya-kaniyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang ito, mga sikretong di binubulong kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man kay bilis maglaho ng kahapon. Sana'y huwag kalimutan ang ating mga
Hindi yung dami.
kung
Kaya
sakaling
sa bandang mo, nagsabi nga, magpapuli.
laging iisipin niya sa tayo ay
Our guest speaker, Miss Rhea Celine Mandela. And she will be followed by the head of National Affairs, Sir Roel E. Miller. Where she leads to advisors and colleges and oversees the development of mental health programs in the Philippines. Notably, she helped build mental health resources with budget. Kaya nakakatulong sa natin na story ng Manila. Okay? We have proposed also with
Let your passion guide your efforts, and let your integrity be the compass of your life.
parang wala
Remember the lessons learned.
sa buhay natin, inuman hanggang sa magdamag na
As you navigate
habang
through your
tayo'y mauubos sa ilalim ng bilog na buwan, mga tiyan natin walang laman.